Hello, and welcome to our channel, a nexus for the perpetually curious. Here, you can explore a wide range of topics from our everyday life and beyond. Dive in, and you'll discover a universe of knowledge that is continuously evolving, spanning from science to arts, nature to culture, history to technology, and everything in between. In this episode, we are excited to bring you the different types of orchids, as a part of our Botanical Wonders collection. Did you know that there are approximately 28,000 recognized species of orchids distributed across 763 genera? Although it is not possible to showcase every type, we will present 12 types in this first installment. This video features a variety of color variations for the flowers, illustrating randomly selected colors. We're delighted to welcome you on this journey and warmly anticipate your companionship until the end. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for updates. Without further ado, let's immerse ourselves in the beauty of orchids. We hope you found this inaugural chapter on orchids enlightening. Thank you for watching. Continue exploring our channel for more botanical wonders and a diverse range of fascinating topics. But there's more! Delve into the extraordinary and discover subjects spanning from everyday life to the captivating realms of science, arts, nature, history, technology, and beyond. If you enjoyed our content, support us by sharing, subscribing, ringing the bell, and giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate your support.